Good day, everyone. Welcome. How you doing, chat? Welcome to my live stream. Good morning. Good evening, guys. Morning right there. Let's go. Let's go. Happy Thursday times. Times we're gonna work for our
order filled.
5th point, guys. I'm looking forward longing the markets here, and we are in the trade already pretty quickly, right? Longing into the markets. We do have the daily VWAP slightly above and the resistance line as well, right? So we might touch that level. And that's what I'm targeting, somewhere around 35 or starting with 35. Good morning, welcome guys. Thank you so much for joining.
Order filled.
$327 for our target. It's not looking bad. Let's see if we can collect today our 5th point. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Indeed. Thank you, guys. Like the video. Let's go. We are straight into the trade. As soon as we started the live stream, I got into the trade. I had this one on my mind. So I wanted to execute. That 5-minute closing we had earlier is supposed to give us some rejections on the current red candle. There is a downtrending channel here. And I'm looking for touching the upside of this around this level. So with the previous candlestick movement on the 5-minute, that's what I'm targeting. Let's go, guys. Come on.
Order filled.
Are you guys having a good time? Let's just share the presentation with all the community members pretty much everywhere. Let's just quickly go ahead and do it. Waiting for a minor reversal here. Come on. Choppy all the way back to 26 would be sufficient for me.
Order filled.
Let's see if we get it. Let's see, guys, if we get it. Our 5-minute has been completely denied. Good day, everyone. Welcome. Couple of points for our break-even situation. We need to be stronger here. We need some momentum. Good job, buddy. Good job. Let's see if the 1 minute holds at this level. Good evening out there. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Need a decent reaction here around the 15. Come on.
Order filled.
We might not be getting it. We had a really good 5-minute closing right there on green. And then what happened next is pretty weird for me. But let's see, guys. Like after that 5-minute green candle we had, the last one that is green right there, that one, after that I was expecting basically the momentum to continue with the engulfing we had and the higher low structure. I was expecting the movement back into the resistance line or daily VWAP. Yet it looks like we got 12 points down from there. It looks weak. We need the 1 minute to speed up quite quickly above 18 pretty fast here. Looks weak. And the daily loss is pretty close. 1,500 is the stop loss I have. That's what I personally set, 1,500. I don't want to lose more than that. This might want to get into the blue line. 200 days EMA for the 5-minute around 308. And I'm not going to enjoy that on 308. I'll touch my daily stop loss. We got a little lucky with that. We got a little lucky with that. We were 1,450 down, only $50 away. We were like one tick probably. If it moves from here, we got extremely lucky with that. I've seen it for a millisecond right there. We were 1,400 down. Good morning, welcome guys, come on. Look at that. We were down 1,475 here. Exactly the wick. And we're having the stop loss on 1,500. So $25 away. If we're getting saved, that's gonna be a hell of a trade. Look at that, guys. 1,475. That's where the wick ended. Our stop loss is 1,500 from the settings. Come on, let's go. Looks much better. Now it is a question of strength. A question of strength. 2 more candles and we're fine. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let's get those numbers running. Five minutes still looks fine. And it also has about 3 minutes to go. $25 away from the stop loss. 'We have a temporary level on 28. So even if we take this one on 28, that's above my target. The 1 minute has a downtrending resistance line as well. Let me share with you guys. This is the 1 minute. Look at that. This is on the 1 minute. There is a channel here dictating the movements. Looks like for my target to be hit, we got to break out of this channel. It's the only way my target is going to get hit if we break out of this channel. If I see a massive rejection without hitting my target, I'm going to be out quicker. Right? If I want to see markets trying to break out, could get rejected. Come on. Give me that strength. It looks fine for the moment. 2 more green candles. Keep flying, buddy. Push above. Push and follow through the breakout.
Order filled.
I sold 3 contracts.
Order
3 more.
filled.
And I'm
Order
fully
filled.
out. $70. This was not a good situation, guys. We survived this. We survived this. With $25 away from the daily stop loss I have. When the market got here, and you can see it on the live stream. I've measured that. We're 1,475 down. We managed to DCA and set this one on $70 profit. You know, it's pretty tight because I need this point. I need to achieve that $500 today. And I'm not really convinced about the bulls. There's too much weakness, so I decided to get out a little earlier. Look at that. The 1 minute is rejecting here. Huh. Look at that, guys. It's dying. No, it's very, very weak. Didn't trust it to leave it. 1 minute still confirms power here. If we look into the 5 minute, this might just go down into the 200 EMA blue line, which is sitting on 308. We've touched that for the past 2 structures. So I wouldn't be surprised to do that again. But I'm not shorting it. Let's go. Come on. Do we have any... I think we got some speech from Powell, right? Powell speaks in about 9 minutes. Something like that. Market's heating up. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Come on. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. And we were also on 8 minis, which is a little too much for this scenario. Is a little too much. That's totally correct. Do we finally have a higher low here? Are we good for a retest on 35? It's a flat top, daily VWAP, and a downtrending resistance line on the 35. Are we ready to retest that? What do you guys think about? I've been in a long, yet I had to exit. It wasn't looking good. I was overexposed into high leverage, and the whole thing got in my disadvantage. This is our situation where right now, guys, we have 4 points. We need the 5th. We have 5,300. We need the 5th point today. If we got the 5th point, 2 more will be needed afterwards, and we're moved to live, which is going to be an amazing performance. Looks like we broke out of the 1 minute candlestick trend. Looks like we broke out of the trend we talked about earlier. Something like this. Got a minor rejection on the 200 EMA for the 1 minute charting. Hit the like button, guys. We're having 2 giveaways today. you need to have $10,000 in your live wallet. You need to achieve that threshold. So, do we have Powell speaking at 8:30 or 2:30? Like, I've seen both scenarios in the chat. 8:30 a.m. or 2:30. You need about 12, 13 payouts. Accounts, not payouts, accounts. And we're doing copy trading on 5. Exactly. Let's see how does the market starts reacting. I think it's going to be pretty wild. Without seeing that absurd amount of liquidity moving back and forth and volatility, of course, but in terms of the price action, it's not going to be the easiest part to trade when Powell speaks. Haven't checked FedWatch tool for a while in terms of predictions for the interest rate. The last time they were sitting around 95%. Let's find that once again, what's happening with the CMA. FedWatch tool, target rate probability 94% for the rate cut. Market's already pricing in. You got the gold getting above 4,000 and sitting there. You got Nasdaq sitting above 25,000. This is already basically your rate cut that's already priced in. The only thing that is not moving, and everyone is questioning it why, is Bitcoin with its altcoins. It's basically delivering nothing. Good day, buddy. Good day. Oh, is it over? So quickly. So quickly, guys. Yeah. How to recognize that? The price action allows you to recognize it, and of course, you need to be very, very strict and tight on your daily losses. There's less than 1 minute to go. Only 15 days. Oh, should be like a month, right? I was thinking it's like a month. So by the time I want it to come, it's over. By the time I want it to visit, it's over. Better not, right? What's happening lately there? Used to be good 10, 15 years, 20 years ago. From stories I heard. Look at that. We just got a little spike there. We just got a little spike. I think we're gonna get some contracts downwards as well. I think they will enjoy wiping out people. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. We got 2 giveaways nicely scheduled there. Come on, pal. Bring it all the way on 37. Let's retest that 37. Now I'm testing out a short, guys. You know, I just told the market makers to test that 37, and I'm testing out a short. We're doing a mind game. Putting break even. You see the wicks here.
Order filled.
We got to the break even. And now it's going down. Beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. It's going down. We would have made some nice money with that. And we got in a short properly, right? Why are we penalized? Like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let's bring up those numbers. We got you.
Order
Testing out a little long here. Look at that. 35 for my target.
Order filled.
Let's see what we can do. Come on, little
Order
pal.
filled.
32. You want to do some zigzag here. I'm not gonna sit on that. I'd like you to take this one to the upside. I know you can do it. Couple of points. And we're fine with that. Collecting our 5th point. Come on. This is very important, pal. Do not let us down. Exactly. Come on. You gotta touch that wheel up, pal. You've left some few points above that 33 touch. Come on. Get into your 37. Like, what on earth is going on here? I'm waiting. I guess that's not a bad thing. Look at that. We haven't got a dime above 27. You just get decent candles move to 27 and then they fully stop. The pressure, the buying pressure totally disappears. I'm not gonna DCA here. I already have too many contracts. I cannot DCA on this volatility. No, I'm fine. The most scary is the last one. Well, if you have buffer, you're fine even with the last one, right? If you have like 3 days of max loss, it's still comfortable. If you're 1-to-1, it's a problem indeed. I'm gonna DCA here 1 point.
Order filled.
So if you're 1-to-1, do or die, I think that's the biggest pressure. That's the biggest pressure, 1-to-1. But if you need to make a single point and have a max of 3 daily losses, That's still pretty convincing. Let's go. This is not looking bad if we gain the momentum needed, which market makers should enjoy delivering us exactly what they see on my target. Come on, boys.
Order filled.
Added one more contract to this. We need one more green candle here in a row. So we need this one as well that just opened it to be green. Which I kind of smell pretty good. Keep going, buddy. Do not betray us. Keep going. There's a lot of the people that shorted you.
Order filled.
Hey, there you go. 5.15. We got to touch the point, guys. Let's go. Come on. Celebration time. Ooh. Celebration time. Look at that, guys. Look at that. 5 points, and how much do we have in the balance? $5,800, and we got 5 points. Do the math, guys. Like the video. Come on. Everyone, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Also, by the way, here's the Ticktick Trader stuff. Thank you guys so much. We have a pretty good edge right there. Look at that. Even if we have, worst case scenario, 3 losses. Listen to me, guys. 3 losses of 1,500, which is the max daily loss. So 3 days in a loss. This one, and this one. Let's just do the worst case scenario right now. That's 4,500, right? We remain with 1,300. 2 points means another 1 grand. That's going to be 2,300. And we will have 2,000 to cash out with that. So we have basically right now room with a maximum of 3 daily losses against 2 points. Right? 2 winning days without crossing 3 losing days as a maximum. And we get to the payout with that. 2 winning days, right? Which means out of 5 days, we only need 2 green days out of the next 5. And I'll take max payout, which is 2,000. On 5 account, it's going to be 10,000. And with that one, I had daily loss today, 1,500. And you have to watch the live stream, guys. I had a I have it. Let me share with you. It's there. It's the usual 1,500 loss that I have. With a liquidate and block, you can see that. And the price went down on the first trade we did, 1,475. It went down like that. You can see that on the live stream. I verified a wick, how much is, and it was 25 bucks away from our personal daily loss that we have. So we got saved by 25 bucks on a $1,500 level. Think about that one. And then we touched the target, and it's very likely for us to get into the payout. And we got saved with 25 bucks there. You want to see that on the live stream, guys, today. No, I never changed this. Account risk settings, daily loss 1,500. Right? I never changed this. This is the way we've been trading so far. Across the whole time. Even the previous cycle. Because that's where you see the previous cycle. We had the same settings, guys. So that's crazy, right? But that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. What's happening in the crypto market? Things are getting pretty wild here. What's, look at the BTC is running. Ethereum is starting to print. Solana as well. What is Powell speaking about? Did he just reveal the amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum he has, or what's happening, guys? Do let me know. Yeah, well, there's not gonna be much from here. I mean, we have 5 days, only 2 winners we need, and that's it. I mean, if we look at the numbers statistically, we don't have, even on Ticktick, we don't have 3 days or 4 days. We don't get burned with 3 days. We get burned if we have 4 days in a row. We don't have 4 days in a row, $1,500 losses. I mean, it's not easy. And then let's look into my Ticktick account, for example. No, Tap 1 Futures, sorry. Let's look into the Tap 1 Futures and see the statistics over here as well. This month, we have 5 winning days, 1 losing day, right? Previous month, 2 losing days, and a lot of the winnings. More than 10. 11, actually. 10, or what is it? Yeah. So we don't really see like 4 days in a row of $1,500 losses. Now let's just continue our trading. I got 5 more Ticktick accounts. I bought today 5 more. They're fresh. I'm gonna rename them nicely. Look at that. We're gonna nicely rename this account. Oh, let's just put it that way. That's the number 1. No, we don't need to go by the number 1. We go by number 6, right? Because the 1 to 5 nicknames are pretty much booked up. Number 8. Number 9. We're trading 2 different groups, but we're trading 10 accounts, which is the fastest way to get to the payout. Good. Now let's set up the copy trading for those. They're fresh. And risk settings. Look at that. 1,500 liquidated in black. Right? So we've set that up even for the new accounts. 1,500 liquidated in block. Let's just go ahead and trade this ones too. The 1 minute looks ready for a breakout here. I don't know if they want to deliver that. I'm not convinced.
Order filled.
Which is why I'm opening a short. Good morning, everyone. Welcome.
Order filled.
Adding a little more for this. Let's see if we are capable of sending it all the way down to 313.
Order filled. Order filled.
These are brand new accounts. Good morning, everyone. Core difference between Ticktick and tap on futures? Well, with Ticktick Trader, basically, you have no consistency, and that's the biggest difference. Tap on futures is having much bigger payouts. It's having consistency, 20%, much bigger payouts. So if consistency is not bothering you and you can do the 6% target, it's not a profit score system on tap on futures. It's classic 6% target. Right, I mean, a lot of the people use tap on futures from our community, nicely trading on Project X, and it's a place to make money. Especially they got Rise again, so you can utilize Rise for the tap on futures fully functional. Let me share with you the link, guys, for those of you that would like to throw an eye. On live, two or three minis, depends. 6% target. Well, from, you know, it's doable. Of course, it's doable. If you look at their payouts on Payout Junction, they are paying around $200,000, $150,000 a day to people. So, yeah, people achieve this number, like 6%. Exactly, exactly. If you buy the $100,000 account, yes. If you buy the 150, percentage-wise, you got to make the same value. Putting my stop loss on break even here. That's a pretty interesting opening we had. So it makes sense to... I wouldn't be surprised if the market makers are gonna surprise all the wicks that we made here, which normally translates into the 20s that got defended, and people relong the structure unlimited times with the idea of that's gonna be remain defended forever. So I wouldn't be surprised if the market is tanking below, which is why I shorted to go against those wicks. Like, how many times have we seen wicks pushing the price action and showing strength and then still going below at some point, right? Without delivering to the upside as it's supposed to be. Like, we have seen that tons of times. So that's why I'm trading against. The straight to funded plus system is different. So let me explain you the Ticktick Trader Live section. Ticktick Trader has two different products. It has the straight to funded plus accounts that we trade, and it also has the straight to funded accounts, right? So straight to funded plus and straight to funded. When the straight to funded plus that are new has been launched, they also launched this one with a new model to be moved on live, a total different model than what the other product has. Right? So with a new model to be on live, it takes between 5 to 7 business days. It's straightforward, working nicely without an issue. Between 5 to 7 business days. That's with a new model, fully functional. The old model, which is connected with the other accounts, with this one's,
Order filled.
with the straight to funded. Not with a straight to funded plus, with a straight to funded. So the old model, we got break even. At some point back in the day, had the timing of like a month. Indeed, back in the day, the old model was requiring you about a month to wait. So they designed a new model from A to Z, totally scratch, a new product on the front end, where you are building yourself a live wallet with the money from the payouts you're taking, you're constantly adding to your wallet, and at the time you hit the $10,000 threshold, you have the money, it's made by you, you're moved to live with that one. That's the way it works basically. So a lot smoother, between 5 to 7 business days till you get connected with a broker. You open up your account there, you sign the documents, and they deposit the money for you realistically, guys. We have members in our community. We had also people posting in our Discord on how they've been moved to live with the new Straight to Funded Plus, how they were pretty much getting paid within their first day $2,000 after 20-30 minutes and so on, right? So the system on the Straight to Funded Plus accounts, the new system, works really well. Yeah, Tap on Futures back in the day did pay a lot to people, tremendous amounts. We had around 400 traders that were trading actively from our community into Tap on Futures at that time. Around 400 people. This is looking great for a movement to the upside, right? This actually wants to break out. Look at that whole trend here on the 5-minute. What's the feeling when you achieve your first $10,000 per month from scalping? It is a feeling that is expectable based on your results and performance. We have more than 50 grand made from Tap on Futures, more than 50,000 in about 2 months. And we talked about that on the live stream. We also shared on our Discord all the payouts. You want to search basically on the search tab and you will be able to see the numbers. So for me, it's no longer a feeling that used to be at the beginning when you start trading. I'm not that excited anymore when we are earning some money, of course, good money, great money. Whatever amount is good money. I'm enjoying it, right? I'm enjoying the whole activity. If we're making money, it's even better. But this is not the bread and butter. Yeah, well, euphoria is going to be when I sell my Ethereum. When I dump my Ethereum in the market, it's going to be euphoria. In the meantime, interesting price section. Look at the hourly on gold. It's crazy, guys, how much of a power it has. It's just incredible. Nicely sitting above the 4,000s. When this is gonna pretty much change its environment, nobody knows. I'm telling you, nobody knows. Never ever think about shorting gold. BTC as well did pumped nicely today, and it recovered nicely today because, you know, we have here from the all-time high condition, we had basically a trending line that we're dealing with right now, and we're about to break out. So we might be able to see something stronger on the BTC side. So we got a decent 5-minute closing there. Yeah. Well, most of the people do not enjoy the times we're moved to live because we're building buffer in our sim funded accounts. We're constructing that business like it would exist forever. Unfortunately, when we're moved to live, the sim funded are pretty much disappearing or they're moved to a specific pause stage for most of the prop firms, we have to consider them simply as tools that allow us, by having a certain performance, to reach to the live sector. So we should basically make, with these tools that are the sim funded level, the minimum needed for the live. If we're building buffer on top of buffer and we're creating like it would be a sustainable business, it's not going to be a nice feeling out there when you're going to be moved to live and you're having 30 grand in your sim funded account sleeping there that you have worked for, right? So instead of making that 30 grand there, do not expose yourself to risks and make that money when you're moved into live. Which broker do I recommend to buy and hold cryptos? Coinbase is a very good exchange. Coinbase is a very, very good exchange. And then we have Kraken as a very good option as well. We've got basically Binance, Bybit. These are solutions out there, but depends on your depends on where are you coming from, depends on these details. Usually Coinbase and Kraken are great solutions for the majority of people. And then if Binance or Bybit is allowed, then of course those are great as well. Depends on your jurisdiction. Yeah, I mean, with a Ticktick trader, you can cash out whenever you want on live. It's absolutely beautiful, even multiple times a day. And I told you, as soon as we get into live, and I'm pretty much convinced we get there. Like, we've been fighting for this together. We get there, guys. We need 2 more points within the next 5 days. Two winners out of the 5 days. Definitely achievable. Once we do that, the first payout I'm taking from live will be fully shared with our community in cash format, right? So I'll see what we can do, what kind of contest, what kind of giveaway, but we fully share the cash format of that payout. And I'll let you decide, guys, how much it's gonna be. I'll let you vote. I'll set you a few targets. When we get there, we request the payout. And we move on. Wouldn't be surprised. Wouldn't be surprised for the all-time high, but it's not going to be an easy game for a continuation. Sits around 395, 394. About 60 points away, not a big deal, of course, with the opening conditions. And if you break out of this downtrending resistance line, which you might be able at some point. 30 minutes to when the market opens. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. No, it's a couple of days. We're gonna trade basically our other accounts on other prop firms, and it's just a couple of days. I'm not expecting it to be more than 7 business days. The new straight to funded accounts have a system that's just a couple of days for live. It's not the old system where they required you like a month. No, the new system is just a couple of days. Looks like a temporary rejection comes through from 35. No, the old system is different. The new straight to funded plus is much better, which is why people should trade that. Come on, guys, let's go. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We've got 29 minutes, the market opens. Yesterday we made $3,000 by scalping at the end of the live stream. I mean during the live stream, but at the end on Savius Quantower, nice scalpings we did. That was beautiful too. We're gonna trade those ones today as well. With Savius you only have to do 5%. Right now there is 55% or 50% discount on Savius, something like that. You want to check that out, that's the link right there I just sent you guys. Let's go. Yeah. It holds for the moment. Thank you guys, by the way, for joining. Make sure to like the video.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
Add
filled.
a little to this. Let's see if we have any form of ability to.
Order filled.
I
Order
sold it all,
filled.
basically. I accepted a minor loss here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if we're capable sending this one all the way into the 20s. That 5-minute rejection looks pretty strong.
Order
Oh,
filled.
we got the target. Beautiful. That move came out of nowhere. It's $200 up in profit. That move came out of nowhere. Pretty aggressive. I'd like to make some more money here. I still want to trade my top one futures as well, so we got a lot going on.
Order
Testing
filled.
out a reshort here to see if it works. Might not function for a continuation all the way around the 310. Looks like we're protecting this levels.
Order filled.
Accepted a partial loss.
Order filled.
Another one.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order
I'm
filled.
fully out of that. Might go for a continuation. Might get into 310. Pretty risky.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is pretty crazy, guys. This is, you know, terrible price action. Just cannot trade this. We can play along here with invalidation below the wicks. But you see, I'm not trusting it. I'm afraid of potential top on the blue line, 200 EMA, 310. That's why I kept shorting.
Order filled.
You know, I'll test this out and see if it delivers. But it's not looking good once again.
Order filled.
It's going for the drop. It is what it is. As always, we're only gambling. Living in a simulated world. Yeah. The dollar is dropping. Pretty hard. Let's see what we can Pretty decent level of market bouncing from the 1 minute standpoint. 5 minute as well. Holds the line. 18 minutes to go. Might just continue sliding, but I'm not shorting it. Got burned a few times. Hello guys, welcome. Good morning everyone. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Come on, let's pick those numbers up. We got to the target on our main accounts. 5 points achieved, 2 more needed, and we are ready for the payout. Another $10,000 would be, and that would actually take me to live because I would hit my $10,000 threshold for the live account. So today we got to the target. Very, very important, guys. It was a tremendous day. We were 25 bucks away from hitting the daily stop loss that is set at 1,500. We managed to see the markets reversing at 1,475. Thank you guys, appreciate it. And I bought 5 more accounts, fresh ones, and this is where our first day here is minus $1,000.
Order filled. Order filled.
Not much to talk about them. Thank you guys, thank you. Let's see if we can catch. You know why you didn't receive your account? Because you were cheating on us. You shouldn't do that. When I am moved to live and I have my live account, I'm not going to be able to trade the sim funded. We're not going to be able to trade the sim funded accounts. They're going to be paused, and when we and if we lose the live, we're going to resume trading the sim accounts, right? So they're not going to be lost. They're just going to be moving on pause, and when the live is gone, you resume trading your sim funded accounts. It's a really good part.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this here.
Order filled.
For a couple of points above the previous wick. 2 points from here and we're fine. Certainly not a big deal for us. Recovering the partial loss. We're putting the break even here. In case the market do not wants to deliver. I'm fully
Order
out.
filled.
That's good. We recovered $600. We're going to celebrate that, guys. We're going to celebrate that. We recovered $600. Come on, let's go. It's not easy to trade during this market conditions like this. It looks easy, but it's not easy. I'm glad we got our point today. That's the most important thing. On 5 accounts, we got our point today here. It's fifth. Like I said, if out of the next so within the next 5 days, we only need 2 green. That's the ratio, and we're fine for the payout. 5 days, 2 green. We can have 3 daily losses of 1,500 each, and only 2 winners out of the next 5 days. And we're still making it to the payout with the maximum payout, and we're still making it to the live account. Of course. Especially here, this is the major place of gambling. October and then September. I still have to trade a lot of the accounts, guys. Thank you, guys. Make sure to join our giveaway by liking the video, subscribe, and of course, join Discord as well. We're live streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Markets having a good time around this choppiness. I don't mind it.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think this looks decent for a little move to the upside.
Order filled.
Let's see if we get it. Couple of points. We still have to trade a lot today. My top 1 futures accounts too. And then my Savius accounts too. But we're going to be aggressive. I got a good feeling today.
Order filled.
Added 2 more contracts to this. Going for a nice continuation on that green candle. Once we get above 26, we move break even. Let's go. Such as now. We're sitting break even. Come on, 1 more green candle and we're fine with that. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys.
Order
we sold
filled.
3 contracts there.
Order
3
filled.
more. And I'm leaving the rest open.
Order
I sold
filled.
everything. $80 profit with there, so we fully recovered the $1,000 loss. Continuing the fireworks show. Fully recovering that $1,000 loss. Thank you guys for the entry. Yeah, thank you guys. Come on. Look at that. I think this is going to have another 5-minute. But we'll see, we're pretty close to the opening. We are 6 minutes with the opening, so
Order filled.
adding a little bit here for about $200 move, not much. Putting the break even right now.
Order filled.
We got to touch the break even.
Order filled.
Getting back into this one. Why on earth are entries so high?
Order
Putting the break
filled.
even. Didn't have time to put a break even. 70. We got it $140. We made money on that one. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it.
Order filled.
Let's go for a little volatility here. Look at that one. We're not testing the breakout. We're testing a retest of the 34. Let's see. But we got an ugly pressure right before the VWAP. I'm expecting the markets to touch that VWAP on 35, 36.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Pretty good, guys. Unless we dump right here big time, but makes no sense not touching that VWAP. Look at this price section. I'm expecting this candle that is strongly red right now to have a form of significant rejection till it closes.
Order filled. Order filled.
That was a nice algo short. Looks like our stop loss is going to get hit. But I'm longing the other accounts here.
Order filled.
On tap on futures. From the bottom. This one is very likely to have the stop loss getting hit at 1,000.
Order filled.
And it got hit, basically. What a price action here. No rejection at all so far. Still expecting the rejection of the markets to fly back. The current flash sale is only for the 100k. Yeah, it's not on the 50k, the current flash sale.
Order filled.
Add a little more to this, guys. We're going for our target right there. This is for the top 1 futures where we got to do 1,800. Daily for 5 days. Two more points needed and we are ready to fly on another $10,000 payout there. Plus we're being moved to live because we have been collecting how much? Quite a lot. Quite a lot. More than 30 grand in payouts from Ticktick Trader. More than 30,000. Putting break even. And this is looking pretty good. So we had our long earlier. Sitting nicely, but they had to dip this one all the way into the 16. Just to have a long, I told you, this candle is going to have a long wick.
Order filled.
There you have it, guys. The target has been touched, 1,840, the second day in a row here. Celebration time. I told you, that 5 minute is going to have a long wick. Listen to the audio of the stream and you're going to hear that. That one is going to get rejected. It got rejected. We traded. We made money. Exactly. And we got the opening. Beautiful. The opening, the crazy opening. Let's select the copy trader for the other accounts too. To ignite.
Order filled. Order
Pretty
filled.
dangerous to short here. Looks like we touched that 200 EMA. Was thinking about that one. Let me open up Quantower in the meantime. Yeah, Ron, reach out to me on Discord. Drop me a message on Discord. Private message me. Drop me a message on private. And I'll reach out for you. Yes, if you have multiple accounts, the threshold is going to remain at 10,000, right? So if you ever had multiple accounts, it's going to be 10,000. If you only have a single account from the beginning and you never have more than a single account actively, then it's going to be 5. But if you had 2 accounts at some point, it's already multiple accounts and you're in that category. Crazy opening out here. Not an easy moment to trade. Certainly not an easy moment to trade, but that's pleasurable. There's a lot of the styles of trading, of course. People do not understand this, and of course they cannot accept someone else having a good time and being profitable. Some people cannot deal with that. There's so much frustration and envy. It's crazy.
Order
Testing
filled.
out a little long here. Looks like I'm not getting it. This is pretty dangerous, but this is a level where we have reacted nicely in the past. We might not get anything out of it right now. The opening is pretty aggressive.
Order filled.
We might just get
Order
stopped out, of
filled.
course. Of course. That's the stop loss. That's why we have it. To use it. Connecting the other Ignite accounts. Interesting point here on the 300s entry.
Order filled.
Let's go. We got this in break even. 300s do look nice. Just a single tick away there.
Order filled.
We got to touch the targets. Beautiful. Beautiful. Continuing the nice profit streak. Just 3 losing days out of... So we got 3 losing days, and how many profitable? Let's just count. These are the losing days. And the rest of them are all profitable. $16 profit, 3 losses. 16 against 3. That's the ratio we have. So it's not looking bad. No, the Ignites account needs a lot more. I'm doing my own thing, don't worry about it. It's fine. It's 16-3. I just wanted to verify if the gambling works. Whether I should start trading or just I should keep gambling, right? But I'm gonna keep gambling. You know what we're doing right now? We're trading basically our... Oops, no fireworks. We're gonna keep trading our Quantower. $304,000 in the account. We're good to fly with this one. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, guys. 2 giveaways will start soon. Looking for another trade right now. Looking for another opportunity. We've been going for the 300s that clearly represented strong support in the past. So we've been going for a bouncing from the 300s. It's a very simple idea. That's what we traded. Kevin, bouncing from a demand level, a pivot level that just nicely held. Adding 2 contracts here, 4 contracts. Let's go, guys. Adding 1 more round. We're sitting on 6. We're sitting on 8 contracts. We need to do $3,000. Let's see if we can do it. We have $11,000 max loss distance. 11. Add a little bit here. A promising level. If the bulls are finally capable or not, we're going to see that. We're going to find it out. We're going to find it out, guys. We're being pretty aggressive here. $13 contracts. 13 minis exiting on 313. Added 2 more, sitting on 15 minis with the exit on 312. Time for us to have some energy and do a little trailing. The account has $4,000 in profit, but our stop loss, our daily stop loss is on 4,000. Looks like we have another round of... Nah, we didn't get the protection. We touched the stop loss on the 4,000. Pretty weird scenario on the Nasdaq for the moment. Is a hard breach, yeah. Unfortunately, that was a hard breach. And we got that one shot. Total rejection here, clearly on the 5-minute. Look at that. Delivering on the opening big time. There was the Savius accounts. Here we have the Savius prop firm, the exclusive offer with our community. Scramble for the maximum discount as a coupon code. That's a big one, guys. We might see this one all the way into 250s. Good job. Pretty close here for a temporary reaction, I guess. Getting ready to long the markets. Yeah, it was my bad, my mistake. Sure. It's already a potential level of reaction here. Quite curious. But we're going to leave it like that for the moment. Yeah. 1,500, 600, 700, but no more than 1,700. Certainly no more. So they're forcing you to set yourself a stop loss earlier than that, and it's going to be like a soft breach. You can make out of a... Yeah, it's a hard breach. Daily loss limit is a hard breach. There are new accounts that are with a hard breach. But you can make this hard breach into a soft breach by having a stop loss set up, right? You can transform it. Come on, give me that one. 5 contracts. Just a little more. I'm out here. $900 profit for the moment. $900 profit here. Testing another long here. In case a double rejection comes in. I'm just going to scalp it. I'm out. We're 1,260. We're 1,260 on that one. Testing out a little long here. We need to do 250 bucks. 250, guys. And we have touched that. So we are on full profit, $1,500. There you go. Just by scalping out pretty quickly here. Brand new account, 1,500 profit. Boom. There you go. That's a good one. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Make sure you do these things because the giveaway starts soon. Look at that, guys. Look at that one. Pretty brutal recovering, right? Thank you guys, appreciate it. We got protected by that level. Let me share with you why. This is why. It was a pivot point, right? 250s. Very clear. Previous double top all-time high structure delivering you a nice buyback. Look at that. I said I'm waiting for the 250s. I'm waiting for that level, so we managed to make the target of 1,500 with that. Should have waited a little more on my 300k account as well. Should have waited a little more there. Yep. These are pretty interesting accounts as well, guys, that we got yesterday, the Sim Pro accounts for the top 1 futures. By the way, for those of you need, here you have the link, top 1 futures, the Ticktick trader as well. I'm sending everything on chat. I'm already extremely used to trading, and I have a years of trading in terms of experience, so I can stop without efforts. I can stop doing this without efforts. But this is a consequence and the result of a long-term exercise. The exercise you can do needs to be really custom on the issue. And you definitely want to exactly log yourself out and do something else, right? So do not stay at the screen anymore, or simply you have on the top right corner for the Project X, you have your manual lockout, this one, right? You want to click on that one, manual lockout, and you want to lock yourself out for the day, right? So clearly you need a situation that locks you out 100%. You need an automated way of doing that. You can deal with a problem by, for example, like I have on my Ticktick trader, a personal daily loss limit on 1,500 with the action liquidate and block. Very important. Yeah. Project X is not having that limitation, unfortunately. So what you can do is you can utilize an app, like an add-on, if you're using Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser or any device, right? Depends. You want to search for an add-on, for an app, for your browser that limit your website access. And you want to take that link from TradeAway you're accessing, and you want to limit that website access right away. Once you finish your losing trade, take that link and put it in the app, limit yourself for the day with that app, and it's over, right? So you can use an app or an add-on to limit your access for a period of time on a website. We got some kind of rejection there. It's not looking good. It's not looking good here for the bulls. All the way back below 270s. Already at 265. Yeah. However, pretty good. Let's talk about, guys. So we have... we got to talk about... We got to talk about a wheel. We got to talk about a wheel today. Time to get ready. Time to get ready. So, today Badger is not with us. I'm sorry, guys. You gotta wait. Like the video. Subscribe. Everyone like the video, be subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Keep that in mind. You need to guess between my two commands. Not before or not after. It's not gonna work. Wait. Do not guess multiple times. And do not play dirty games. Join our Discord as well, guys. Come on. You can start. Let me know your numbers. Come on. Let's go, guys. Let me know your numbers. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. That's it. No more. That's it, guys. No more. That's it, no more. So we got you That's it, guys. No more. We're gonna shuffle this. You guys want to get ready? We're gonna shuffle this. Yeah. So let's shuffle a few times. Look at a Nasdaq. All right. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. $25,000. And yeah, this is a what is it today? Is it Thursday? Yeah, then it's a end of the day drawdown, tap on futures. 25,000, tap on futures, end of the day drawdown. Is that number 3 gonna be with a red? Is that number 3, guys? What do you think about? Look at that. I think so. Hey, congratulations for the winners. Congratulations with the winners, guys. Congratulations out there. We got you on the number 3. We got you with a number 3. Let's get to the duck race, guys. We got the list ready, functional, beautiful. Let's get to the duck race. We got 32 winners out there competing for a minute. Congratulations, guys. Let me move my face away. And we're ready to fly. Shuffle, shuffle. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Come on. $20 seconds. It's gonna speed up. Pretty hot out here. 10 seconds to go. Sabadilit. We got you. I think we got you, Sabadilit. There you go. Congratulations for the winner. Great job. Look at that. We got you with the winner. $25,000 tough end of the day drawdown. Beautiful. You're 10th again, Matt. 10th. Starting the second giveaway, guys, soon. Get ready for it. We're starting the second giveaway soon. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Come on. Let's go, guys. Let me know your numbers. Come on. Good luck. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. This is going to be a Ticktick trader account, so do not join if you don't have the rights to trade under country restriction. That's it, guys. Stop. No more. We got you right there. No more guesses. That's it. No more guesses. That's it, guys. Are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and shuffle this. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. We have that blue number 5. Think about it, guys. We got that blue number 5 there. Right before the 00. I think that's where we stop. Look at that one. Hey, we got the number 5 there. Congratulations for the winners. That was a great one. That was a pretty hot one. But we got you guys. We got you. $44 winners. Pretty crazy, right? I mean, no surprise. It's basically the number 5. 44 winners out there. Number 5. The most difficult out there and the most guessed. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everyone. $50,000. TTT account. Yeah, it's crazy. Let's go. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. And we were having like 160 on the list. Oh my god. Number 5 is the most popular. Who's gonna speed up right now? We got Scott pushing, but I don't think he's gonna make it. This is a 50 grand account for the Ticktick Trader straight to 100 plus. And we got you with the number 13. We got Trader 07. Look at that, guys. That was a tremendous comeback. Trader 07, you got this one, buddy. Congratulations. Hey, look at that one. Pretty crazy, guys. Look at that one. Hey, what a push, surprisingly, at the end. It just came through the middle of nowhere. Beautiful, guys. We're always verifying everything. Always and always verifying. Thank you guys so much. Thank you once again. Have a lovely day. Careful with the numbers, with the trading. You know I'm telling you this daily. Have a lovely day. We're looking forward to it tomorrow on a happy Friday timing. And of course, deliver the great numbers. I am so ready to collect my 6th point on Ticktick Trader out of 7 needed to be moved to live. Wish you a very good day, guys. Chill, peace, relax. Exactly. If there's someone cheating, we're not gonna give them the account. It's very simple and straightforward. Have a lovely day once again.